When you see these on the clearance rack, just grab 2. They're not the fullest, but I have edges. Hey y'all, just popping in to change my wig. I've been wearing the bob for like the last month or so, and I'm just getting bored. I'm just about to throw in a side part wig. This is a really old U part I made years ago. I don't know when I made it. Just know I've been kind of feeling color. This one has light brown tips, so we're gonna toss her on. Hello. How are you guys? Happy Sunday. Thank you, Anastasia, for liking the live. How are you guys today? It's been a little minute since I have been on TikTok live. I need to get social again. I've been kind of anti-social the last few months. I'm installing a U-part today. Figured I'd just come in and chat with y'all. Feel free to ask any questions, because I work out and I need it. I noticed a difference for sure. I was putting way too much heat on my hair without the relaxer. I probably won't leave this in too long because I typically don't like to braid my hair as soon as I get a relaxer. So I think I'm just gonna wear some clip-ins. I'm gonna wear this for today, but tomorrow I'm gonna maybe put some clip-ins on my hair and just kind of wear it in a bun, because your hair is very weak when you get a relaxer. And I'm already not loving the tension that's coming from this comb right here. So yeah, I'll probably definitely take this out tomorrow because I need my edges. And they're, you know, they're not the fullest, but I have edges, okay? Yeah, girl, I've had... All right, so clearly I cannot multitask because as you can see, the camera dropped and I was on TikTok live. So I was like, let me just keep my focus in one place. So we just did a side part install. I love it. I haven't done a side part in a minute. And I haven't worn long hair either. I've been wearing my bob since like January, February. So this length is definitely given. I did get questions on the color. The tips are like a chocolate brown. If I can remember, I feel like I might have just gone in with a developer on the ends to get this look. I really should have did the whole thing because I love this color, but I'm feeling the tips too. So yeah, if you're interested in getting a custom U-part wig made, I'm gonna leave my contact email below. Feel like I wanna be seen today. You know how like you get your hair done, you just got errands to do? Like I'm gonna go and take a walk in the park because why not? Good morning, I'm in the salon today and I forgot my mic. So I'm just gonna let y'all set up with me. My client doesn't come for another 30 or so minutes, so I like to come a little early just to kind of set the mood, get some music playing, make sure that everything is ready to go when she gets here. So today's service is just a sew-in refresh. So we're just going to wash her down, get any tracks that need to be tightened up and restyled. So yeah, so yeah, today is gonna be pretty easy. I've only done one sew-in in the past like month and a half. I've only been doing lace wig and closure installs behind the hairline. The girls are loving it. So let's get set up. Of course, I always bring clean towels, and I like to have one towel to put down on my workstation so that I don't damage any of the surface here. So
Making the same thing when you do
So I'll go ahead and pre-thread my needles. That way the appointment just goes much more smoothly when you have things prepared. It just looks a lot more professional when you are ready for your client. Now, for the most part, I do keep my workstation pretty clear and clean, not too much clutter, but I definitely make sure that I line my station with the things that I know I need immediately. So if I know right now I don't need my curlers, I'm not gonna have them out. They're just in the way. Depending on whatever vibe, usually I'll let the client choose if they want to listen to music, if they want a more quiet appointment, or if they want to watch TV. I do have the TV in that corner. Sometimes a client will come in here and we're yapping the whole entire appointment. I have some clients that come in and go straight to sleep. But yeah, it just all, like I said, all depends on the vibe of that client. I really do love this space, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's, especially having this window unit, I'm able to kind of look out and people watch and also pass up my card. So if I see somebody walking past, I'll run out and give them my card. I should do like a favorite product video, the things that I've been loving. I think I will do that. And I'll have everything linked below. So yeah, let's do that. Let's see if I can multitask. Actually, let me finish setting this up and then I will do a quick little favorites. Like I said, I like to take this time to just kind of sit with myself and get my thoughts together and affirm what I want for the day. We are in a new month. It's April 1st. I pray for more clients this month. If I can get booked every day, great. I'm just ready to work. I'm ready and eager to work. And although I am starting over, I'm trying to be booked and busy, okay? Like, I love what I do. You know, like I said, I feel a lot more in my element. I'm happier. And I just love making women beautiful. Like, that is just my thing. Why did I stop doing hair? Like, because it's just such, to me, also a very sacred moment to have with women, because they come in here bearing it all, and sometimes very vulnerable, and there's no judgment here. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all have things that we're insecure about, or things that we don't want a lot of people to see. It's a lot of women with different hair issues, so I'm always very grateful to service women of all hair types, textures, and I just love creating that safe space for women, you know, to come as you are, and I'm gonna have you looking beautiful by the time I'm done. All right, so our thread, I honestly probably won't need this much thread, but like I said, I like to be prepared. She's just getting like I said, a refresh. So I'm just gonna go in and tighten any tracks that need to be tightened up. And this is it. This is the workspace. Like I said, I like to keep it nice and clean, okay? Because by the end of the appointment, this whole thing is gonna be filled. Once I bring out the hairspray, the curlers, the blow dryer, it fills up quick. So like I said, I don't like to clutter my space initially. I like to just grab and get things out as I go, which is why I have this little drawer space here, which keeps everything out of the way, clean. I love it. Like I said, nobody wants to see all of that. Let's get into, before my client, I'm just gonna jump into a few of my favorite products that I've been liking to use lately. Of course, I always keep the Sebastian Shaper. This is still some of the best hairspray, and it's always on sale at TJ Maxx. So when you see these on the clearance rack, just grab two. The only thing though is, after a while, this little nozzle gets clogged, so you have to take it off and like soak it in hot water for a little bit to get it to work. But it's such a great hairspray, and it's very lightweight. I've only just started using this, but it's pretty decent. This is the Mazzani Miracle Milk. The girls on TikTok was raving about this leave-in, and I've used it only on my clients, not myself. And like I said, so far it seems like it is pretty good. I'm still very much a Nairobi girl. I love design essentials too, but this is just one that I'm so used to using, and I always just grab for this one. Now I know a lot of people use this for short hair, but I like it to blend my leave out. Paul Mitchell Quick Lift is a great way to lift the hair really fast. I've also been loving the Agora line by Schwarzkopf. IGK products have been pretty good. They can be pricey. I think this size bottle maybe like $30-ish, but you can look up and find these at TJ Maxx. This is the anti-frizz spray. It's also a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. But that is pretty much it. I'm about to prep for my client, so let's chat later. So I just finished my sewing refresh. It took me about 2 hours because when I go in and wash the entire head, of course you have to sit under the dryer for a while. She even stopped to eat. So actually I think we still finished in pretty good timing, and I'm proud of my work because there was literally only one piece of a track that had lifted up. So she decided to wear it for another 3 to 4 weeks before she comes back for another sew-in. So yeah, that was my only client for today. And I finished in just enough time to kind of chill back for a few minutes before my son gets out of school. Luckily, I don't have to cook today because I made turkey burgers, so I really can just chill for the rest of the day. Well, I'm not really chilling. I really need to lock in and edit all these videos I've been filming. I have a lot of videos that are just literally collecting dust. So moving forward, I'm really trying to show up, honey. Really trying to show up. Y'all would think I would be used to editing, but it's still my least favorite thing to do. Why didn't I just go and pay somebody to do it? But I don't want to do that either because I want to be in control of my footage and what I want in the video, what I don't. Anyway, I'm just rambling at this point. Really loving this side part. Like, I guess because I haven't worn it in a while, I just feel like side parts give you more of like a softer, maybe even more feminine look, if that makes sense. Like, I love a middle part. I will always love a middle part, but it's something about the side that just feels more girly. Is it just me? Like, next time I think I'll come down and bring it more in the face. A bob would eat on the side part. Like, just a straight blunt bob would eat so bad. Or just with like some like chunky kind of like layers. What y'all think? I don't want to cut this wig though because I love this hair. It's like the perfect length. I love a 16, 18 inch. And then I love this color. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go grab me a little quick bite before I head to get my son. So let's chat later. It's hot today. One thing I love about my suite is that I'm literally 15 minutes away. So if I'm ever at the house and somebody like, oh, we need somebody really quick, can you come do a takedown? I was like, give me 15 minutes and I'm there. But this is my last month in the suite. I can't believe the last video I actually posted was me telling you guys that I was doing hair again, and I'm already 6 months in this suite. But I only signed a 6-month lease, so July is my official last month in this suite. Of course, I'll still be doing hair, but I'm gonna transition into doing mobile services like I did before. And then I might get back in the salon. Right now, I love my freedom. I love creating my own schedule. And girl, I be trying to have my hands in more than one thing, so I need that flexibility to be able to do other things as well. Super grateful if you have booked with me since I've been in the suite. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. I know I was just like jumping out there and I didn't have a portfolio. Nobody knew what my work was like, but you guys trusted me to service you, and I am super grateful. Today it's Saturday. I only have one client and I'm only doing a hair color. She just needs me to color her hair black for her braids. So this will be really easy. This will take me no more than an hour to do. And then I have to run a few errands after. I'm gonna go around to a few stores, like see if I can find like some fitness equipment on sale. My mom is currently recovering from hip surgery, so she wants to do some things at home. She's been actually with me during this recovery, so it's been really nice to have her over the house, just chilling, you know, and seeing her grandson every day. I ain't gonna lie, I be wanting to be at home with my mama every day. But I'm glad that she was able to come and just relax, you know. Back to what I was saying, if you guys are in the Atlanta area, I'm specifically in the Smyrna, Austell area. If you are looking for a stylist, I'm gonna leave my booking link below. July is my last month accepting clients in my suite. Just wanted to pop in because I did have a comment under my last video like, okay, now where you at? It's been a few months. And I told y'all to hold me accountable when you see me disappear. Honestly, I don't do it on purpose, like, but life be lifing. And if you create any type of content, you know, once you get out of that groove, it's so easy to do, and then when you're out, it's so hard to get back. I definitely just want to pour into myself more, really prioritize the things that I love again, because I noticed that I really haven't been like having fun and enjoying life like I used to. So I need more hobbies. Like, I really need more hobbies. Like, I found a new therapist and she was like, what do you like to do? And I'm like, ooh, like, besides going to the gym, I do really love going to the gym, but that's it. Like, I'm going to explore more hobbies and really just be intentional about getting out again. I mean, it's so easy to get sucked into motherhood and then you just kind of put yourself on the back burner. It's natural, but you just have to be intentional about doing what makes you happy and things that bring you joy. So anyway, let me head up in Cosmoprof real quick. I need to pick up some hair color and I'm gonna pop back in later.